Hello guys, how you doing? It's been a while, right? Yeah, it's been a while. Hope you have been busy because I have been busy. If you have been complaining about the Tinubu-led administration, then you probably missed the US-China trade war because there were a lot of business opportunities there. What's the business opportunity? The very nature of trade war is actually a proper war, but without pion, pion, pion. You know, it's with money. Country is annoyed about something, and in regards with the US, they said China is stealing their intellectual properties and want China to change their trade policy. And because of that, they slammed tariff on products being imported from China. This is to discourage the US citizens from buying Chinese products. Oh God, who doesn't buy Chinese products? China makes almost all the products that are used in this world. So China decided to fight back. And how did they fight back? They decided to open up their market to the world and told the world that look, all these products, premium products that you buy in US, in other countries, are actually made in China. They just make it here, ship it to say Italy and slam a sticker on it, call it a designer, and you are paying through your nose for it. So a product that costs $300 to make in China is being sold for $3,000 in your country. So you're better off coming to buy directly from us. That's what China told everyone. So because of that, there is a business opportunity in China that you probably missed. So what do? You need to find the right source. Can you find a company in China that makes good products that you can import in your country, because your country is not fighting with China? And now that US government doesn't want to buy products from China, China decided they want to sell to the rest of the world. And you need to find something like shoes, bags, trading products, and these laptops. There are several laptops here, and they are for sale. I'm importing them from China. That's what you need to do, and that's what I've been working on for a while now. In addition to other things, the cons with this, the pro of obviously is you make profit, because if you're able to find uh, the manufacturer or a good company that sells a particular product, which is the con, finding them is a bit hard because you might uh, run into swindlers and they steal your money from you. But if you find a good company, that determines how affordable the product is. Then you need to find a good shipping company. You need to find somebody to clear it in Nigeria, because you might do everything right, and when you get to Nigeria, somebody slams you with an outrageous bill, whether it's legal or illegal, nobody cares. They slam you and you can't pay that. And when you don't pay that, your final cost determines how well the journey was. So if you are planning to sell a product for 1,000 naira and you end up bringing it into Nigeria as 950 naira, it doesn't make much sense. It doesn't the profit doesn't worth the stress that you've gone through. So I made the contact, and I got this laptop. These are Dell Latitude 3190 2-in-1 laptop, because as you can see, it's a laptop, a full, complete, blown laptop. But check this out. It's a tablet. It's actually touch screen. Yeah. So it's a very good, suitable laptop. Very lightweight. Comes with SSD storage, which means it's very fast. Um, but I'm not going to go into details about the laptop today. You need to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification, because in the next video I'm going to tell you exactly what specs these laptops are and how much they go for. I'll also give you contact numbers that you can reach if you want to discuss further about buying them, because the cost will be pasted on the screen as well. So that said, this is just introduction to a business idea that you may have missed. because you were complaining about the Tinubu's administration. That is importing products from China, or importation in simple terms. Because in life, when you are giving lemons, what do you do with it? No, you don't make lemonades. You plant the lemon. So when you plant the lemon and it grows, it germinates more lemons for you. That's the concept of business investment. Follow my channel for more. Take care. We'll see you again.